what are the hidden risks of sharenting? So it seems quite harmless, right? The reason seems so genuine, and it seems, what is the problem with it? But let us understand what the consequences can look like, right? So first and foremost, there is a lot of privacy violation, personal details. If somebody has to find out about your child and you have put up information about them, they will be able to track you, right? And we'll go into the details of how they can do that and what they can do with it. But because of just the sheer fact that you may be putting it up with their school, right? So somebody who needs to use this information in the wrong way or needs to track your child can understand which school is it, or which neighborhood you stay in, or who are your friends and family, right? And keep a track of them as well, right? Second is that you're creating a digital footprint of the child even before the child has started, right? And the child will not be able to give consent whether they really want to have a digital footprint maybe in the future. But because of the fact that maybe in the future they may choose not to have it, but because of their parents doing when they were child, it becomes something that comes with them, and as a prerequisite, right? And in the age of AI, it is so easy to use this information, to have a lot of dangerous elements around you, right? People can misuse those photographs or there's clippets, and create a lot of other kind of harmful images with those of our own children, right? Then, of course, the cyber risk. So, like we were mentioning, because of AI, so there can be simple identity theft, or there could be misuse of the data, right? So, with the current technology, people go ahead, and I've seen, people use the voice of the child, change it to say words and drop messages to the parents, requesting for help, whereas it is not the child. So this is scamming and identity theft, right? And maybe even later on, these photographs can be used for cyberbullying of the child, right? Their children, other children, adults, friends, everybody can go back and look at the children's old photographs and use those as a means to mock them, or make fun of them, or to find out about them and their childhood, and use that in the wrong sense, right? And because of all these reasons, it could give a major emotional impact on the child, right? So they will be able to look back and see that the world saw them grow up. And is that something that they are comfortable with or no? So is that some kind of presence that the child wants for themselves? That consent is not theirs anymore, right? So it is important that we understand what are the risks of sharenting, right?